Hi guys, I am Alex from 3D Factory, and in this video we create our logo. It is a 3D printing and DIY. So let's get started. First step, we need the design. You can create it like me, or you can go on Thingiverse and download the letters you need. Welcome. Let's start to create the design. I'm using Fusion 360 for this purpose, so we go to Sketch, we go to Create, Text, and we place it anywhere, and we write 3D Factory. I will choose to 100 millimeter, will be a thicker, and I choose the American Typer like font. We press OK and we extrude to 15 millimeters. Press OK again. Now we have our design, but is full and the light will not penetrate. So we go to opposite side, go to modify, shell, and select all the bottom from each letter. Not like this, you see, like this. All the bottom, only the bottom, and 3. And here we put 2 millimeter and press OK. And because I want the light to be brighter on the face, I will select with extrude all the letters again, and I will put -1. Press OK. Now we have the design ready. We need to go to print it. Okay, now for the printing I am using the CR10S from Creality. First thing you have to do is to swap your bed. If you have the glass bed, you need just to turn it upside down. Make sure it is very clean. From the settings, I did not make too much, I just printed. And here it is. Let's wait to hit the bed. You need to make sure your bed it is perfect level for this print. For example, this, it is not good. You need to take it up. Okay, now I can show you properly. If it's like this, you need to take it, the bed a little up. If it's making these spots like here, it is okay because it is going to be very flat at the bottom. It's going to be that perfect shine. So now we need just to look for the first layer and we leave it to finish. Okay, we are here at the last letter. I stay here behind the camera and watch if everything go perfect at the first layer, because it is very important to have that shine. Now keep in mind, this is not good. Like this need to be all the letters. Let me make like this. So we'll leave this to finish and we prepare the frame. Okay guys, for the frame we are using LEDs. I will link them in the description. I will put 2 strips to be enough light and a controller for the LEDs that work with a remote. We need some L wood. I did cut this part to be straight because it was like this and I was needed straight. You will see it soon. And a plexiglass of 2 millimeters, and I stick this carbon fiber foil and I put it from pieces. That's why I did not film this part because it takes me so long. So I did print the letters exactly size to fit this. First part we need to place over something like that. Now we need to cut a hole around like this. Don't go over the line. Be very careful when you use this knife because it's dangerous. Okay, finally I finished it. It is a lot of work, but yeah, you need to do that. This you can throw it away or keep it for a stencil for the next one if you like it. I like the sound. Now for the frame, I'm using the glue gun. We are placing 2 like that. On this will stay the LEDs. Something like that. You can make it on your eye because it's like not gonna see nobody behind. So make sure your LED will strike the letters. Now we need to glue the LEDs. Let me see if they fit. Nice. Now we need to glue this part, but under. Here we are gonna strip this out. Oops. I did want to be satisfying. So annoying. Shit. So we want to start from here, the program. So we're gonna stick this right here. Okay. Gotta put some glue gun. Oh shit. I did put this backwards. I did not pay attention, but it's a good solution to show you how I make them straight. So you take your hammer, you take your knife, you put it like this. Don't put your finger in the way. So like that, you make it straight. So back to our design where we need to glue this here. Okay, these two parts will make a shade on the wall. I want the light to go right here, and this will be a place to fit it on the wall. So this is our frame. Now we need just to add the letters. To glue them together. So let's glue everything together. I will use same the glue gun and hang it on the wall. You light it up to see what you're doing. And that's it. This is our logo. You can see how the glass bed make a shiny finish. This will gonna look very better when it's turned out. It's gonna look very nice and shiny on the wall, and when you have turned it on, it's gonna just bling your colors you choose. So let's put it on the wall. am Alex and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, be creative. Bye! Oops!